28 doll hairs. That's expensive. Interesting. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I have a Glossybox unboxing. Look at the packaging. This is new. I opened the box. It normally comes in like a cardboard box, like a normal cardboard mailing box. And I opened it and I was like, wait a minute, is this Glossybox? And it is. It's Glossybox. It's interesting. Anyway, this is the December Glossybox. I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys and kind of showing you what's in here. Glossybox is a beauty subscription service for $21 a month, and you get 5 beauty products every single month, and it's just delivered straight to your door. It's an amazing beauty subscription service because you kind of get a bunch of brands that you've never really ever heard of, nor would you buy yourself necessarily because you've never heard of them. And I just absolutely love everything that I get on Glossybox. I think it's a fantastic ratio of makeup, skincare, random little bits in there, but it's all beauty products obviously. So I really love Glossybox. I do have a discount code with them. It is an affiliate code, so I will make a little commission, but it gets you your first month discounted. So I will have it up on the screen. I'll also have it linked down below if you are interested in saving some money. If you're interested in signing up for Glossybox, I highly recommend it, especially if you don't have a really big beauty collection, like makeup, skincare collection. It's something a great way to build up your collection. Anyway, if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I do a ton of unboxings just like this, not just Glossybox, but I do Glossybox monthly because I love it. And yeah, let's get into this video. Before we start, I did just want to say this should be up before, but if not, it'll be up right after. I'm not really sure the order I'm going in here, but I did film this look. It is going to be up on my channel. It's a Christmas get ready with me, so if you want to know how I got this look, stay tuned because I'm kind of obsessed with these rhinestones and like the whole vibe of this. I'm so excited. I love it. But okay, let's get into the unboxing. That's what you really came here for. But this is a really fun box. I'm definitely keeping this tin. Normally the boxes are still really high quality, but they're not like a tin like this. This is really pretty. It's got like a cute little moon on it. It's all celestial and like astrological, which I love the vibes of it. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this. So this month's theme is Moonlight Glow. Oh, my vibes. And we've got this little pamphlet that tells us what's in here. So we are going to go ahead and unbox. Ooh. So this is what the box looks like. We're gonna go ahead and take the ribbon out and see what's in here. So the first thing I see in here is the herbal tea. This is a turmeric and ginger herbal tea. We've got green tea. We've got a bunch of different teas, herbal tea, and it's by the brand Vadim Teas. I think I'm saying that correctly. I'm not really sure. So I am not a tea drinker, don't hate me, but my mother-in-law is, so I'll probably pass these on to her. By the way, the boxes every month are well over what you pay for them, so the value of them is way more than what you pay. So singles are $1, so basically this is $3. A box of 30 is $11.99 though. I'm not a huge tea drinker, sorry. Oh, I'm excited for this already. Listen, this made the value of the box for me already. I love the Batiste dry shampoo. I love that this is travel size, so you could take it on road trips and stuff. I'm so excited for this. So I love the Batiste dry shampoo. If you ever tried it, it's like one of my favorite dry shampoos. These are $3.99 each. You can get them at Ulta if you're interested, but that's amazing. Alrighty, we got 2 of those. You know what? I'm gonna give my hair a little spray because my hair kind of needs it. I haven't washed it in quite a few days. Oh, these caps feel different than the last time I remember having one. So I love dry shampoo. Ooh, that spritzed out so much. I love the smell of this one. It just like refreshes your hair, and yeah, you get that little white bit for a bit and then you just kind of like blend it out, and it refreshes your hair between washes. It also gives it like a little bit of volume. So I love me a good dry shampoo. This is amazing. I'm so excited for this. Okay, so the next thing I see in here is an eyeshadow brush. Okay, so this is from the brand LaRousse Beauty. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. This is a tapered blending LR 120 brush. This is 28 doll hairs. That's expensive. Create a soft diffuse contour with this blending brush made with super soft polyflex fibers. Studded handle makes it easy to grip. You'll have a steady hand to create any eye look. I always need eyeshadow brushes. This is a luxury eyeshadow brush if it's $28 hairs. Doll hairs. It feels really soft. So interesting. Okay. I'm gonna be using this, definitely putting it in my little eyeshadow cup right here. So I'm really excited about that. That's quite a pricey item we're getting in there. Next we have the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I actually really like the brand Elemis. I've liked a lot of skincare from their brand. This is silicone free. It's a moisturizer. It primes and hydrates to reveal a smooth and radiant complexion. It's formulated with an energizing blend of kombucha and fermented ginger to help brighten and illuminate micro minerals to impact subtle radiance. $22, like I said. This is kind of small for $22. Ooh, so that's what it looks like. Interesting. It's very, very creamy. This is what it looks like blended out, kind of. Did a horrible job at that. I will keep you guys updated on how this goes. I have the LA Splash Moonlight Glow Face Palette. Oh, that's probably where they got the idea. Oh my gosh, let's see what this, oh my god, the packaging, it's so pretty. I really like this. Okay, so this is $34. Give your face some lunar love and get a real moonlight glow. These 4 colors are exactly what you need to top off any look. Whether you want a subtle glow or to steal the spotlight, your beauty will dazzle any room you walk into. This surprised me, honestly. Wow, that is pretty. So it's definitely like a blush. I have swatches all over my hand from the previous video I was filming, but we're gonna go with it. It's probably like a blush topper. You could probably use it as a highlight if you really sheer it out. Take a really light hand. This highlight is probably a little too dark for my skin tone. Yeah, that's quite dark. I mean, if you take a light hand and you sheer it out, maybe it'll work. That's really pretty though. I like the sheen it gives, but again, you would have to take a really light hand. Then we've got a contour shade and a blush shade. I like this because you get like everything in one palette. How convenient is that? The only thing is, I do wonder if they have more than one option. So it doesn't really say like this is like light palette or there's a darker one, because this will not work on every skin tone. This will work on mine. It's a very, very cool tone bronzer, so definitely for contour. Exciting. I'm gonna try this out soon and I will let you guys know. I will update you guys in a future video. Okay, so the 6th product is actually not on our little card, so it says it's a mystery product. Surprise Glossies. To make this month's box a little more fun and special, we've included a surprise mystery product to the Moonlight Glow collection. We hope you love it and can't wait to hear what you think about it. What I got is the New Reflection Complexion Perfecting Polish. Oh, it's a scrub, I guess. So buff your way to a refined and radiant complexion with this revolutionary and luxuriously whipped facial polish that enhances skin's health and beauty long after you rinse. Apply a thin layer onto clean, wet skin. Gently massage upward circular motions, taking care around the eyes. Leave on for up to 5 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry for deeper exfoliation. Apply onto dry skin. Ooh, okay. Use 3 times a week. Okay, I love me a good face scrub. Okay, so this is what it looks like. That is an interesting consistency. I actually also looked it up and it's $52. The 35 grams 1.2 ounce is $52. That's insane. I cannot wait to try this out. This looks super luxurious. I love that there's a mystery product this month. Oh my gosh, how exciting. The total value of this box was $147. I think that's fantastic. I am really excited to try this out. I'm so excited to have my Batiste dry shampoo again as well. I'm excited to try everything, to be honest. I think that this Glossybox was really good this month, honestly. One of my favorite months for sure. I don't like tea, so that's the only thing that I'm like, meh. I just think subscription boxes are so fun. It's like a surprise every single month. It's like Christmas one time a month when you get it and you're like, oh my god, what's in here? And it's usually things that you wouldn't think to buy yourself and then you end up enjoying them anyway. I personally love Glossybox because I get brands that I've never heard of. For example, I haven't heard of 3 out of the 5 brands, actually. No, 4 out of the 6 brands. There's 6 products in here this month. Anyway, I'm really excited about this month's box. Let me know what your favorite item from this box was. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. It is amazing. It's an amazing, I'm just gonna go ahead and open this if I can. Hello. Oh no. Okay, I opened it. Crisis averted. Just give your face some lunar love. Whether you want a subtle glow, steal the spotlight, or oh my gosh, whether you want to. I'm so excited that I have my Batiste dry.